Breaking the wall of microglial priming. Ana León Rodríguez. Falling Walls Lab, Madrid.
Please, raise your hand if you like magic. Okay, that's amazing, because actually I'm a magician. And right now I'm going to read all your minds in here, as I'm sure that many of you are thinking, what is this girl carrying inside her box? Well, magic or not, what I'm carrying is going to contribute to the prevention of Alzheimer, bipolar disorder, or even schizophrenia. Okay, but how? Well, in all of these diseases, we have the implication of brain cells, like, for example, our neurons. However, we also have the implication of another cell type, which are the microglial cells, the police officers of our brain. Do you remember being a kid and being hit on your head while playing? In this situation, your microglial cells detected a problem, so they started to produce molecules in order to solve it, and then they came back to their original state. However, what happens if you receive a head traumatism in a car crash? In such a situation, due to the severity, our microglial cells can get primed, and they are going to develop an excessive toxicity within the brain, and this could be linked with the development of neurological diseases, like the one that I previously mentioned. So traumatic brain injuries and microglial priming are problems that affect 69 million people worldwide, so we are desperately in need of finding a solution. However, who will say that this solution could be right under our feet, or just stored in such a tiny box? So now, if I open you the box and I show you what is inside, you can see that there is nothing but soil. But if I do some more magic in here, you can discover the key star of my project. I introduce you to Mycobacterium vaccae. So, my project seeks to immunize mice with a solution of this immunomodulatory bacteria. So, this is going to promote the production of anti-inflammatory molecules, and it's going to decrease the production of pro-inflammatory ones. But also it's going to promote the production of beneficial substances in our brain, like, for example, serotonin, which is the happiness molecule. For sure, our final goal is to develop a vaccine that, administered right after a traumatic brain injury events in individual, it is going to lower the possibilities of developing such horrible brain diseases in the future. And what's more is that this strategy is going to be cost-effective, it's going to be sustainable, and it's going to increase the quality of life of millions of people around the globe. People that could be your hairdresser, that could be your neighbor, or even could be your loved ones. However, now I must make a final confession. Actually, I am not a magician, I am a neuroscientist. And this project is not magic, it's the sum of effort, collaboration, and determination on breaking the wall of a problem that could be easily solved, just storing a small vaccine in everyone's body queen. So now is the time that I offer you my box to the audience, and I ask you, are you willing to open it and break the wall of microglial priming?